Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get .NET website only for almost $12 per year. So a .NET website is an international website. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year and 5 year. You can buy a 5 year bundle. So let's try. As always. So the website is called Namecheap.com and they are selling the .NET. I was wondering, is there any Namecheap.net? I don't know, I'm not a genius. So, Madara.net. Yeah, there is a lot of websites, but the .NET thing. Never mind. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.